So the first question is, Mahatma Gandhi is popularly known as, I repeat, Mahatma Gandhi is popularly known as. Children, you will get 10 seconds to answer this question. Yes, the correct answer is Bapu, or he is also known as Father of our nation. Question number 2. When is Mahatma Gandhi's birthday celebrated? I repeat, when is Mahatma Gandhi's birthday celebrated? So your time starts now. So the correct answer is 2nd October. 2nd October. Question 3. What is the full name of Mahatma Gandhi? I repeat, what is the full name of Mahatma Gandhi? You will get 10 seconds to answer this question. So the correct answer is Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. Question 4. Who was the first Prime Minister of Free India? I repeat, who was the first Prime Minister of Free India? So the right answer is Jawaharlal Nehru. Jawaharlal Nehru. Question 5. Nehru ji is popularly known as, I repeat, Nehru ji is popularly known as. So your 10 seconds starts now. The correct answer is Chacha Nehru. I repeat, he is popularly known as Chacha Nehru. Question 6. Nehru ji's birthday is celebrated as, I repeat, Nehru ji's birthday is celebrated as. Think for your answer in 10 seconds. The correct answer is Children's Day. We celebrate Children's Day on his birthday. Question 7. Identify the freedom fighter. Identify the freedom fighter. Your 10 seconds starts now. So the correct answer is Rani Lakshmi Bai. I repeat, Rani Lakshmi Bai. She is also known as the Queen of Jhansi. Question 8. Identify the freedom fighter. Look at the picture, children, and identify this freedom fighter now. The correct answer is Subhash Chandra Bose. I repeat, Subhash Chandra Bose. Question number 9. Identify the freedom fighter. Look this picture, children, and identify this freedom fighter. The right answer is Bhagat Singh. I repeat, Bhagat Singh. So the next question is, where do the Prime Minister hoist the national flag in New Delhi? Let me repeat the question. Where do the Prime Minister hoist the national flag in New Delhi? So the right answer is the Red Fort. So children, the Prime Minister hoists the national flag in New Delhi at the Red Fort. Question 11. Who hoists the flag on the Independence Day? I repeat the question. Who hoists the flag on the Independence Day? So the right answer is Prime Minister. Yes, children, the Prime Minister hoists the flag on Independence Day. So question number 12 is, when do we celebrate Republic Day? So the correct answer is 26th January. I repeat, 26th January. Question 13. Let's see what we have now. In which year India got its independence? I repeat, in which year India got its independence? The correct answer is 1947. I repeat, 1947.